This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. What to do before applying for a loan, a credit card, a car loan, or rent. Personal loans, credit cards, car loans, or rental agreements are all long-term commitments. Hence, it's always good to prepare yourself before starting an application process. First, you should check whether you have a credit score or not, and if you do have one, try to check it and know where it stands. Your chances of getting approved depends on your credit score, and if you get approved, the amount of interest you will get charged will depend on it. If you don't have a score or your score is too low, be prepared to provide a security deposit or find a guarantor that has a good credit score. Second, get ready to provide all the information that is usually required to complete an application. This usually involves the following: knowing your social security number, which will be used by the lender to pull your credit information, your date of birth to prove that you are not a minor and have the minimum age of 18 years required to get a loan, having a proof of identity such as a driver's license, passport, or state identification document to prove to the lender that you are who you are, having a proof of address such as a bill from a utility company or other service providers with your name and address on it to prove that you live in the U.S. and can receive bills. And finally, a proof of income such as a pay stub or a bank statement showing income deposits to prove that you can make your monthly repayments. Having all this prepared will guarantee you a smooth application process with most lenders and renters. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wefiapp.com.